What's going on, guys? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new starter kit we've gotten in. It's from Innokin and it's called the Goby. This is actually a pretty cool little unit, very easy to use, so we're going to go ahead and take a look inside the box, see everything you get with it. You're going to get your mod and your tank, and that's going to be located on this side of your pullout. Right here you do get an extra replacement coil along with some replacement glass in case that were to fall over and break. And then on the flip side, as always, you get your micro USB charging cable, which that does plug in right here on the bottom. And same thing like with a lot of the other Innokin products that come out there. You get your little stand up that's got quick fill, make sure I'm holding that the right way for you, quick fill instructions, again just super easy. And just some little tips and best practices down there at the bottom. On the flip side, it has a little breakdown of each component and how many things do separate. And really outside of that, that's really about all there is to the mod. So taking a look at the actual mod itself, it's very small and compact. I believe it's a 2000 mAh battery, and you've got your up and down buttons right here on the side. Now it looks like it would have a little LED readout, but it doesn't. Instead, what it's got is a couple different bars. So with each change of your directional pad, either up or down, you're going to be changing your wattage. And the wattage does change between 10, 11, 12, 13, and 13.5 watts. For me personally, I've been keeping it on between 10 and 11. I've got a 50-50 mixed juice in here with a little bit of a higher nicotine level. And it really doesn't give me a harsh throat hit. It's a very smooth vape, which coming from someone that still needs nicotine, this is actually really nice. This is a mouth-to-lung unit, which means that you cannot sub-ohm, you can't get really big clouds with this. That's usually the direct-to-lung, where it's like basically you're breathing it in and then just letting it back out. A mouth-to-lung is where you kind of pull it into your mouth a little bit, and then into your lungs, and then exhale, like so. Like that. So that's a mouth-to-lung inhale. The direct-to-lung, like I said, is basically where you're just breathing the vapor straight in and then just breathe it back out. The airflow on this really doesn't let you do that, so this is a mouth-to-lung unit. All in all, I really would recommend this kit for even someone like me that, I'm a chain vapor. I do rely on the nicotine daily, to make sure and kind of, keep me on an even playing field. So something small and compact like this is really great for me. The one downside I don't like is the size of the tank. This was about all day. I put this in first thing in the morning. I've been using it throughout the day. So this is about maybe 6 hours worth of use. For me personally, I can see that being a little bit of an issue because I may have not been hitting it quite too much today. So I've still got some in there. So I would just recommend, if you are going to be vaping this a whole lot, just bring an extra maybe 15 ml bottle of liquid with you, just so you don't wind up being caught with your pants down in public and no liquid. That wouldn't be a good thing. You do have a removable drip tip also. That way you can change it up, stylize it whichever way you like. So that really is all there's about to say about the Goby. If you have any questions about this, just leave a comment below. And until next time, thank you for vaping.